OpenAI introduced AI-generated pets for its Codex app. Meta acquired a robotics AI startup as it makes the push into humanoid machines. And AI performances and screenplays will not be eligible for Oscars. It's Monday, May the 4th, and here's a quick look at some of the news happening in and around tech this morning from Engadget. Well, vibe coding just got a whole lot more adorable. OpenAI introduced AI-generated pets to the Codex app, its agentic tool that helps with coding. These optional animated companions do not do any coding themselves, but serve as a floating overlay that can tell you what Codex is working on, notify you when Codex completes a task, or whether it needs your input on something. The new feature lets developers see Codex's active thread without having to switch away from your current Open app. There are 8 built-in pets to choose from, but you can also generate your own with the help of AI, of course. Early adopters have already uploaded a bunch of options, and there are even some versions of Microsoft Clippy. The pets are already available on both Windows and Mac OS versions of Codex. For a limited time, OpenAI is also offering 30 days of ChatGPT Pro to the top 10 that make it onto their list of favorite generated companions. Meta has purchased Assured Robot Intelligence, a startup company that's building artificial intelligence for robots in order to address critical challenges in high-value labor markets. The company is already working on robot hardware and AI in-house, but a spokesperson told Bloomberg that Assured Robot Intelligence will bring a deep expertise in how it can design its models and frontier capabilities for robot control and self-learning to whole-body humanoid control. They did not reveal the financial details of the acquisition. In a post on X, ARI co-founder Xiaolong Wang said that from the start, they knew achieving his company's goals meant training a truly general-purpose physical agent. He continued that they now believe the agent will be humanoid and that scaling will come from learning directly from human experience. Meta, he added, has access to the key components needed to make this vision possible. Wang and his co-founders and the ARI team will be joining Meta's superintelligence labs. Meta CTO Andrew Bosworth said last year that the company is aiming to create software that other companies can license, similar to what Google does with Android. And he said the plan was to start with developing software that can power a dexterous hand and then building out the technology from there. In addition to Meta and Amazon, Tesla has also been working on humanoid robots for quite a while now. The automaker decided to stop producing Model S and X cars earlier this year and to convert their production space in the company's Fremont factory to manufacture Optimus humanoid robots instead. Well, sorry, Val Kilmer fans, but the late actor's Oscar ship has officially sailed. On Friday, Reuters reported that AI-generated acting and writing will not be eligible for Academy Awards. The new rules from the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences will take effect beginning with next year's presentation, scheduled for March 2027. The Academy's updated rules state that while filmmakers can use AI tools, synthetic performers cannot win any awards. Ditto for AI-written screenplays, which must be human-authored. The Academy can request more information from submissions to confirm that they were created by humans. A performance that will not need further clarification is Kilmer's fully AI-generated appearance in the upcoming indie film As Deep as the Grave. The actor was initially cast in the movie, but had to back out due to medical concerns. Although Kilmer never stepped foot on set, he will appear in a significant part of the movie, according to Variety. The film's writer and director said that Kilmer's family thought the movie was important and that Val really wanted to be a part of it. Despite the fact that some people might call it controversial, this is what Val wanted. Perhaps even more jarring than the AI-generated likeness of a dead actor is the work of a ByteDance tool that also has raised some alarm in the industry. A two-sentence prompt using CDance 2.0 was all it took to generate a highly convincing 15-second clip of Tom Cruise and Brad Pitt duking it out on a rooftop. The cinematic clip went viral, Hollywood experienced existential panic, and even Washington weighed in. The latest? Well, ByteDance reportedly paused the tool's rollout while the entertainment industry braced for a future where typing a few words could be all it takes to churn out a feature film. Thanks for listening. There's more tech news at Engadget.com. This episode featured journalism from Jackson Chen, Mariella Moon, and Will Shanklin. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow with more tech news from Engadget.